Delilah? Are you cooking Mommy dinner? Really? Where's Daddy? Okay, can you make me some grilled cheese sandwich? Or some pasta? Or a banana? What is that? Are you saying, what does a kitty cat say? What does a kitty cat say? Meow. Meow. Dog? What does the dog say? Oh, Delilah, cook some dinner for me. Bisha. I don't know what that means. Do a dis. Do a dis. Oh, Delilah. Yum, 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 yum. Good girl. Yes, you're stirring the food. Oh, you like that teapot best, I think.